Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Hulu plus Live TV, one of the biggest names in live TV streaming right now. If you've been thinking about cutting the cord, canceling cable, or just simplifying how you watch TV, chances are that Hulu plus Live TV has already crossed your radar. But what exactly does it offer? Who is it really for? And most importantly, is it actually worth the price? We'll go through that in this video. We'll see what Hulu plus Live TV includes, how much it costs, its strengths, its weaknesses, and whether it actually is a smart choice for you. So let's get started. At its core, Hulu plus Live TV is a hybrid streaming service that combines traditional live television with on-demand streaming. That means you're getting real scheduled TV channels including news, sports, entertainment, and local networks, alongside Hulu's massive library of movies and TV shows as well as original content. Instead of juggling cable boxes, contracts, and separate streaming subscriptions, Hulu plus Live TV tries to bundle everything into one place. You can watch live sports as they happen, catch breaking news in real time, and still binge your favorite shows whenever you want. This makes it one of the closest true replacements for traditional cable, but without the physical hardware and long-term commitments. What sets Hulu plus Live TV apart really is that it doesn't force you to choose between live TV and streaming. You get both. And for many households, that's the biggest appeal, especially if you still watch live contents like football games, award shows, or nightly news, but also love on-demand shows and originals. So let us talk about the main features of Hulu plus Live TV. Live TV channels. Hulu plus Live TV gives you access to over 95 live channels, including major broadcast networks and popular cable channels. You'll find sport networks, news channels, entertainment channels, kids programming, and lifestyle content. These are real live broadcasts, not just replays or clips. You can browse through a traditional TV guide, flip between channels, and watch programs as they air, just like cable but streamed over the internet. There's a full Hulu on-demand library. On top of Live TV, you also get access to Hulu's on-demand catalog. This includes thousands of TV episodes, movies, documentaries, kids shows, and exclusive Hulu originals. So even when nothing interesting is live, there's always something to watch on demand. This alone replaces a standalone Hulu subscription. Next is Unlimited Cloud DVR. One of the biggest upgrades Hulu made was including Unlimited DVR by default. You can record as many live shows as you want, you can save them for later, and you can keep recordings for up to 9 months. You can also fast forward through commercials or on your DVR recordings, which is a huge plus if you hate ads. Watch on almost any device. Yes, Hulu plus Live TV works on smartphones, on tablets, laptops, smart TVs, gaming consoles, and popular streaming devices. You can start watching in one room and continue in another without any hassle. User profiles and personalization. You can create multiple user profiles so each person in the household gets personalized recommendations, watch history, and saved shows. This helps keep everything organized, especially in shared homes. Overall, Hulu plus Live TV delivers a very complete entertainment experience, which includes live content, on-demand streaming, DVR, and device flexibility all wrapped into one service. So what is the pricing like? Hulu plus Live TV is positioned as a premium streaming service, not a budget one. So there are plans that you can join. The standard plan, which consists of Hulu plus Live TV, Disney Plus, and ESPN Select, is the most popular plan at $89.99 per month. You get a 3-day free trial before you commit to paying for this. While the other premium plan is the Hulu Premium plus Live TV, also includes Disney Plus Premium and ESPN Select. That is $99.99 per month. What are the pros and cons of using Hulu plus Live TV? First, the pros. It combines live TV and on-demand streaming in one subscription. It has a large channel lineup covering sports, news, and entertainment, and unlimited DVR included at no extra cost. How about the cons? The price is high compared to basic streaming services. Also, the local channel availability can vary depending on location. So considering all of this, would we say Hulu plus Live TV is actually worth it? Well, the honest answer is it depends on how you watch TV. If live sports, news, and scheduled programming are a big part of your routine, then Hulu Plus Live TV is one of the strongest cable replacements available. You're getting live channels, a massive streaming library, DVR functionality, and flexibility, all without cable contracts or hardware. However, if you mostly watch on-demand shows, binge series, or only occasionally tune into live events, then this service may feel overpriced. At nearly $100 per month, it's not a casual purchase, it's a premium entertainment decision. And that's it on the review of Hulu Plus Live TV. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore YouTube TV, Sling TV, and Fubo TV. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.